Hey everybody, Joe Drazich here with Fine Properties International in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about insurance. It's not my specialty. I'm a realtor and I help people buy and sell homes, but this just came up. It's been coming up a lot with some of my clients. I'm going to tell you a couple quick stories about insurance that even though if you got a brand new home or just bought a home, you might not be able to get insurance on it as easily as you thought. So personally, my wife and I bought a home a couple years ago, and it was a year 2000 home. And we called our State Farm agent and said, hey, we're going to add another home to our insurance. We just moved to Florida. And they said, oh, well, we're sorry, we can't insure your home because it's over 20 years old. And never heard of that before, but the reason is in Florida, there's roofs are a big thing here because of hurricanes and stuff. And so they said, sorry, you're uninsurable. So we went for about a month with no insurance at all. And we had to travel out of the country, and it was a really scary time. So one thing I'd love to tell you guys is to make sure that you call your insurance agent and just give them a quick call and say, hey, I'm thinking about buying this house and just want to make sure that we can insure it. We ended up getting insurance with a company called Citizens, and then another company after that once we had more time after the hurricane. But just a quick tip. The other story I wanted to tell you is I sold a house to a client of mine about 6 months ago, and it wasn't even built yet. It's a brand new construction home. It should be finished in about September. And he just called to get insurance on a brand new home, and they said, oh, we apologize, but you have a claim on your record, and so we're uninsurable for him. And 12 different companies said they wouldn't even take his business on a brand new home. And it turns out he had an investment property in Arizona, which he sold about 6 months ago. A year ago, he had a water claim because the neighbor above had a flood, and it flooded his unit, and the neighbor didn't have insurance. And so he had to claim it on his insurance. And the insurance company said, well, because you had a claim on a house you don't even own anymore, you're uninsurable. So he was really freaking out, and he finally found insurance through a broker I suggested to him, and it's a lot cheaper than he thought he was gonna have to pay because it's a new home. But make sure you read my description below this video. It just gives you some good tips on how to check if you're insurable, and there's a free report you can get from, it's called CLUE. It's a really long name, but they'll give you a report, the same report they give to the insurance adjusters while they're trying to give you a quote. So just some quick tips. If you have any questions about insurance or real estate, just give me a call anytime. I'm here 24/7, 206-391-8009. Talk to you later.